What up, guys? I'm Loaded Forex, aka No Signal, No Entry. In today's video, I want to share with you guys some trading tips that I applied many years ago that changed my journey from losing phase to profitability phase. Guys, I can't lie. I failed woefully. I blew so many accounts. My trading journey at the beginning was not funny at all. It was not funny. I was going through ups and downs. Make money this week, blow everything next week, make money today, come back to market the next day and blow everything. And what led to that? I was not a student of process. No, I was trying to get it overnight. I was not trying to follow the process, the steps to take me to get to profitability stage. I was competing, I was comparing myself with other traders who have been in the game before me. I don't want to learn. I was jumping from one YouTube channel to another YouTube channel. I was looking for holy grail strategy that does not exist, right? I was not a student of mentorship. I was trying to figure it by myself. These are the terrible mistakes that I made when I started Forex trading many years ago. I was the type of person like, I can't pay somebody to teach me how to trade when I can get access to thousands, millions of free YouTube videos on Forex trading for free on YouTube channel. I was like, why would I pay somebody to teach me trading when I can learn all these things online by myself? But I did not understand that trading is not about pressing buy or sell button. Trading is not about reading candlestick pattern. Yeah, those things are important. Those are the basics. Those are the foundation. But that is not the main deal that will help you to become a profitable trader. If trading is all about pressing buy and sell button or candlestick pattern, chart patterns, support and resistance, if it is about that, everybody's supposed to be making cool money every day in the market. Why is it that 90% of traders are not profitable? A lot of traders don't understand the benefit of mentorship. Let me tell you something. Do you know the effect of right mentorship? Number one, having a mentor who is already ahead of you. Having a mentor who is already at the stage you are dreaming to get to. Effect of right mentorship is that you have somebody to hold you accountable. You have somebody to call your attention when you are going outside your trading plan. You have somebody to tell you the right things to do at the right time. You get access to someone that whenever things are not going well in your trading journey, you can reach out to that person anytime and that person will be there to provide professional advice on the next step to take. I didn't understand all these things when I started. I was like, I can't pay anybody to mentor me. Why would I pay someone to teach me trading? Let me tell you something. The money I can't afford to pay someone, market took the money from me. That sounds funny, right? Market took the money from me. I gave the money to the market willingly, without any argument, without any back and forth conversation. Market took all the money from me. After a few months, and I realized that I'm loaded. I can't continue like this. I need to get proper mentorship. I need to now become a student of mentorship. So it was when I acquired a proper and right mentorship that my trading journey transformed from losing phase to profitability phase. Process of mentorship made me to realize that there are two key factors to your success in trading. Number one, things you can control and things you can't control in the market. What are the things you can't control in the market? You can't control whether a trade is going to be a success or not, right? You might have been trading the same pattern for like 3 to 4 months or few weeks, same pattern, same routine, same approach, same execution, right? And you have been killing the market back to back. You can come back to the market the following week and you apply the same routines, you trade the same pattern, and market is still going to eat your stop loss. Those are the things you can't control. You have to understand that trading is a game of probability, right? You win some and you lose some. The most important thing is when you are winning, win big. Make use of that opportunity. Make the market. Take a lot of money from the market when you are winning, when you are in your winning streak phase. But when you are losing, cut your losses short. You have to take responsibility of every outcome of your trade. You have to accept that, there are days it's going to be good. There are days that things will be bad. Once you understand and have this mentality at the extreme back of your mind, you will make a lot of money. The second factor, things you can control. What are the things you can control in the market? Number one, your risk per trade, your risk per day, right? Your stop loss, your take profit, your break even, your trade management. Those are the things you can control in the market. When trade is going against you, let's assume you risk $500 on the trade. And the moment you enter the trade reverse against you, minus $250. Your ability to recognize on time that you are on the wrong trade will help you to cut the trade short or to cut the loss short so that you won't lose the whole capital. That is what makes you a professional trader. Your ability to know when to take your profit, to pull out your profit, either partial profit or your full profit out of the market, that is what makes you a professional trader. Your ability to set some rules for yourself that, okay, when you are on a trade, when this trade move in my favor twice of my risk, I'm going to break even, or I'm going to take 50% of my floating profit. These are the things you can control in the market. But the moment you press buy or sell button on your MT4 or MT5, you can't control the market again. There are external factors that will determine whether that trade is going to be a success or not. When I realized all these things, it helped my trading mindset, my psychology, my trading routine every day. I started journaling my trade every day. I started writing down all my mistakes and how to avoid the mistakes to repeat itself in the future. I started putting down my winning trades and why I won the trade and what am I going to do next time when I see that same opportunity in the future. I was able to achieve all these things because I now realized that I have to be a student of mentorship. I have to follow the process. I have to be a student of the process. Without the process, you can't make money in the market. You can spend 5 years watching YouTube videos and you think mentorship is all about that. You will keep on losing money upon money until you realize that you need to seek advice of an expert on your day-to-day trading activities. These are the mistakes that I made. I was going through frustration. I was going through depression. I lost everything. I was at the down moment of my life when I realized that no, I'm doing the wrong thing. I need to go back to the basics. I need to look for the right person who can mentor me, the right person who will have my interests at heart, the right person I can reach out to anytime whenever I'm having challenges. And he will be there to provide solution. He will be there to guide me professionally. When I took that decision, I started realizing that my trade is going smoothly, right? I started applying and following my trading plan day to day in the market. So if you want to transition yourself from losing trader to a profitable trader, you have to be a student of mentorship. You have to be a student of the process. You have to be patient with the process. You have to understand that there are two factors that will help you to succeed in forex trading. Number one, things you can control and things you can't control. So once you understand this, it will give you the ability to accept and take responsibility. It will give you the understanding to accept uncertainty in forex markets. All these things are very, very important. you still have a lot of time to rewrite your story. You still have a lot of time to rewrite your journal. You still have a lot of time to make amendments. Go back to the roots. Go and fix your roots. Don't be like all those people saying they can't pay someone to mentor them. The question is that why did you pay money to go to university? Why don't you sit at home and acquire your formal education at home? Why do you think that you have to write a JAMB, WAEC, or NECO for you to be able to acquire the right career or profession in the university? Mentorship is the key to your trading success in trading. So if you want to help yourself in 2025, go out there, make your research, find the right mentor, somebody who is going to walk you through the stages of trading. This is going to help you. And if you are blessed through this video, don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload another exclusive Forex video tutorial like this. And if you want to be part of our free signal on Telegram channel, where we give out profitable signals to our community every week, click on the link below this video description and it will take you to our Telegram signal community. See you next time.